Hello, welcome to all of you. Now today we will be learning inverse of a 3 cross 3 square matrix in just 30 seconds. Now what we have to remember over here is the sign convention for adjoint of A. All these elements are positive and these four elements are negative. So if A is a square matrix, then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A, and this is nothing but our adjoint of A. Okay, now let us take down one example to understand this in a better manner. So write down, if A is a square matrix whose first row is containing 2, 0 and minus 1, second row is containing 5, 1 and 0, and the third row is containing 0, 1 and 3. Okay, then A inverse will be equal to 1 by determinant of A. So let's quickly find out the value of the determinant. So twice of 3, this is already 0, need not to write down, minus 1, and this entry is 5, so that gives us 6 minus 5, so value of the determinant is 1. Okay, now please understand what is to be done properly. Now we will be finding out the value of the minors, but we will be placing them in the place of cofactors with this sign convention. So the first minor is 1, 1 position. So the first minor is nothing but 3. This minor 3 we will place in the position of the cofactor, and as you can see the sign convention is plus over here, so this entry is going to be 3 itself. The next minor is that for the position 1, 2. So the next minor is 15. So this minor 15 is to be placed in the position of the cofactor, but as you can see there is a minus sign over here, so it's going to become nothing but minus 15. Next minor is position 1, 3. So the next minor is nothing but 5. So it is to be placed in the position of the cofactor, and the sign over here is plus. So that's why here it will be 5 itself. Okay, now let's move on to the position 2, 1. So the position 2, 1 minor is nothing but 1. Now that 1 is to be placed in the position of the cofactor A21. So this entry is going to be nothing but minus 1 because there is a minus sign present over here. Okay, next minor is the position 2, 2. So that's nothing but 6. So 2, 2 is to be placed in the position of 2, 2, and because there is a plus sign, so let's put up 6 itself over here, it's going to remain same. Okay, next minor is the position 2, 3, second row and third column to be left out, that is nothing but 2. Now that 2 is to be placed in the position of A23, but in the position of A23 there is a minus sign, so it is going to become nothing but minus 2. Next minor is the position 3, 1, and that entry is nothing but 1. Now that 1 is to be placed in the position of cofactor A31, and that entry is plus sign over here, so it's going to remain 1 itself. Okay, next minor is position 3, 2, third row second column to be left out, and that entry is nothing but positive 5. Now that positive 5 entry is to be placed in the position of A32, and since there is a minus sign in the position of A32, this entry is going to become minus 5. And finally the position M33 that we are going to find out is nothing but 2, and that is to be placed in the position of A33, and in the position of A33 there is a plus sign, so it's going to be simply nothing but 2, and this is nothing but our A inverse and the final answer. Please keep watching my YouTube channel for such short tricks. Thank you very much.